everyone, and welcome. So if you see the title of this video, you probably clicked it because you are interested in seeing what I received in my Amazon registry bag. Or if you have tuned into some of my videos before and you know me, then you're probably surprised to see that I am pregnant. So yes, I am pregnant, and today I'm just going to show you what I received in my baby registry bag from Amazon. So to start off, there were some pamphlets that I pulled out first. A lot of these have scan codes in the back, or barcodes I should say, as well as coupon codes. You can use these towards purchasing certain items through your registry. The main ones that I love was the CeraVe as well as the Palmer's. I'm definitely going to use that, as well as the Shutterfly. I thought that the Shutterfly coupon was pretty decent as well. So the first thing I am taking out of the bag is the Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. And then the next thing I have is the Nano Baby First Pacifier. Love those, been hearing a lot of good things about those. We also have the Culturelle Baby Immune and Digestive Support. So this is like vitamin D drops. Definitely going to use that. I also have the Bye Bye Rash. There was actually a size 1 and there's 2 diapers in that, so pretty decent. And then here they actually provided samples of Palmer's, the cream and the oil, so I'm definitely going to use that. And I was so excited to get this swaddle. I just think they're so cute and babies look so cute in it, so I'm excited to use that. There was also another bottle by Dr. Talbot's. It's an anti-colic bottle as well, and it had a bonus Soft Flex pacifier, the ones you get from the hospital, so I love that. I also received in this package, it was the Lansana breast milk storage bags. There were 2 in there along with 2 of the pads, so if you're leaking, it had that in there. I also received the CeraVe body wash and shampoo. So that was everything that I received in my bag from Amazon. I was so excited to receive these items. I did not do this with my last 2 pregnancies, so I was very excited to do it this time around. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe, like, and please comment down below. Until next time, bye.